This big old heifer right out my back door. Sitting out there eating my dadgum wife's bird food. She's big as hell too. She's got some babies somewhere because she's got teats. Oh, she's going. There she goes. Feeling for them seed.
Maybe she's gonna run away.
Well, I hope not.
B, don't sit on the toilet paper. Go take that to your mom by the bathroom.
Oh, she's there. She's standing up.
Oh.
Reaching up there, getting that bird food.
Bird food. Kitty.
There she goes.
Kitty.